Today I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to YouTube with N8. This automation tool makes it possible to streamline your video uploads, saving you time and effort when managing your YouTube channel. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to N8n.io. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to type in your credentials to log into your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to your N8n dashboard. This is your main hub for creating and managing workflows. Look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your automation. You'll now be directed to your N8n Workflow Editor. Here, you'll notice two options for creating a workflow. The first is the manual approach, which is labeled as Add First Step. The second option is Build with AI, which can help automate some of the setup process. For this tutorial, we'll be using the manual method to give you full control over each step. To upload YouTube videos on your N8n, click on Add First Step from your editor screen. A right side panel will appear with various options. Locate the search bar at the top of this panel and type in YouTube from the results that appear. Click on YouTube. You'll now be presented with a variety of actions and triggers that you can use to connect YouTube and N8n together. Take a moment to browse through the listed actions and look for the one that says Upload a Video. Click on it to select this action. Once the action has been selected, a parameters window will appear. This is where you'll configure the details of your video upload. Start by filling out the fields provided. Under the Resources drop-down, select Video. Then, under Operations, make sure it is set to Upload. This ensures that N8n knows you're uploading a new video rather than performing another action. Next, add the title for your video and the region code. These details help YouTube categorize and display your content correctly to the right audience. And that's it. You've successfully set up an N8n workflow to upload videos to YouTube. This automation can help you manage your content more efficiently, especially if you're uploading regularly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.